What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we're taking a deep dive into JAYO's PETG in white. So I was turned on to JAYO by one of the comments. If there's a filament type you want me to take a look at, or you got a recommendation or a suggestion, something you haven't worked with, leave a comment down below. Anyway, this is JAYO's PETG in whites. One of the things I do like about JAYO is the fact that it comes in a nice little plastic bag that has these tabs, makes things super easy to open. Anyway, we're going to get this open. It is a little bit less white than I would anticipate from a white, but I do like the fact that they come with this detangler and filament holder there a little bit. So always good to see, but any sort of extras. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in filament dryer for at least 6 hours, and I'll see you back here shortly. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in the generic settings in Bamboo Studios for that filament type, in this case, generic PETG. So we're going to go ahead and get that sliced up, and that should take just shy of an hour, a little over. Yep, a little over an hour. And we're going to get that printed as well as all the other test prints. I'm going to send them over. Alright, here they are. So from left to right, we have the generic benchy. We're going to start with that because I forgot to do the other intro. Anyway, there's a couple of minor defects here. You know, a little bit of stringing, a little bit of issues with some of the quality. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. There was some stuff on the film or in the filament nozzle. Some red PLA. So for whatever reason, that just came out there. Didn't even catch it beforehand. So a couple of minor defects, but just always good to see. Make sure that you're printing with nozzles and everything like that, and you clear them out as best you can sometimes. So this one, best one was 245 for the temperature, least amount of spike or stringing or spikes. Retraction test turned out very well. No real major issues on the stringingness or anything like that. Max volumetric speed test. This one turned out also very well at 28 millimeters per second cubed. Everything worked out really great there. So no real any sort of major issues with that. And then we had the overhang test. So the overhang test turned out well, but there was a little bit of issues there on the back. Just again, anytime you're working with any sort of thing that has finer detail, you're going to want to probably enable supports around 70 degrees. Anyway, we got those things dialed in and reprinted that benchy. We were able to take care of the minor defects that we saw, both from just printing and getting everything all together. So yeah, no real stringing or anything like that left there. If I can show you exactly what, oh yeah, so it's not as pure white. So the one on the left is JAYO's, the one on the right say Polymaker ABS. Again, you see the difference in the white there, so I'm hoping it picked up on camera with the slight hues difference. Anyway, over at Amazon, you can pick this up for less than $15, which is an amazing deal. Link is in the description. So my overall thoughts on this one, the price is great. I would prefer a brighter white or more white, hue there. Just my own personal preference rather than this kind of near transparent white-esque or kind of duller one. Anyway, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. Anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here at the next full review. Thanks.